So it's the last day. I've prepared nothing. But who of you has been at a PyCon.de sprint or some conference sprint? Okay, for the others, basically it's an open space. We provide internet. There will be some pizza. There's a nice room, and everything else is up to you. So it's up to you to find interesting projects or things we can hack on. I think there is a Google Docs document linked from the homepage where you can put down projects you want to work on. There will be the PyLadies MicroPython workshop. Yeah, I've seen it. I'll check it and make it writable for everybody. The other chance is if you already know you want to be there tomorrow and you have a project that you want to work on, maybe Borg Backup, just come up here and do a little presentation, what you want to work on, who you are, and what skills the people that want to work with you on this Python project need to have. So I think that's also a possibility. Would you want to start with Borg Backup? Perfect.
Okay. So again, without laptop, because it just gave up. We can sprint about multiple things. There is Moin Moin Wiki. I told about it yesterday. So it's basically getting Moin 2 more releasable than it is now. So if you are interested in content management, in wikis, maybe in XML, LXML stuff, or in storage stuff, databases, Flask, Whoosh, and so on, we can work on Moin Moin Wiki. We recently moved to GitHub, so there was also some tickets on GitHub that are open. Some are flagged as easy. So we can work on that, or we can also work on Borg Backup if you like. It's a backup tool. So if you are not totally happy with your current backup tool, you can have a look into Borg and maybe fix some issues there. It's using Cython. It's in Python 3. And it has some C code also. And recently somebody started working again on Windows port. And it's rather platform independent, so we support BSD, OS X, Linux, and it also runs under Cygwin. But there's also a lot to do, so we can work on any of these projects. So if you are interested in that, you see this t-shirt, it's rather bold. Just meet me tomorrow, and we can hack on that stuff. Okay, thank you.
Anybody else? Uwe?
So I will be at sprints tomorrow and Sunday, and I'm working on Apache Arrow, and Wes will be also there Saturday. And everybody who's welcome is there, because we actually can deal with all languages, but preferably we're doing to go work on Python. Myself, I'm working on the documentation probably. So if people had problems get started with Arrow or understanding Arrow, it's now your chance to come to the sprint and tell me what you didn't understand so I can document it.
Who's next? Perfect.
Hello. So I'm main developer on Bonobo, and I will be sprinting on that tomorrow. What's the topic? For those who don't know Bonobo, it's an ETL, something that transforms data from one place to another. It's accessible. It has also advanced topics, whether you know it or not. So you can come. You're welcome. Depending on people who are there, I will either help people discovering the thing, either help people diving into how it's made and how it works, or do something else. It's really up to you, and you're welcome.
Hi, I'm Emma, a scikit-image developer, so the image processing toolkit. And so tomorrow during the sprints, actually I will be there only at the very beginning. So like during the first hour, I can help you setting up the sprint and selecting maybe interesting problems to work on. And but after, so I will be in the train, so I can try to be available on GitHub, and we also have a GitHub chat rooms if anybody is interested on sprinting and image processing. Thanks.
So, and I can only tell you this is a unique chance really to sprint with Emma or Wes. Other people will pay lots of money to get the chance, to get an introduction into their tools from the core developers. So, any other projects? That's the PyLadies MicroPython workshop will be there, but this one requires registration, and as far as I know, all places are already gone. There's a waiting list. So if you are there, maybe there will be on short notice an empty place. Yeah.
Okay, I like to be mostly on the Moin Moin table because that was one of the reasons I'm here. But I can also offer to show you how to make your own Conda Forge package. You know, Anaconda, and Conda Forge is one of the libraries which have the most packages there. And you may be interested maybe to have your own packages, so I can show you this on this table. And so, maybe that's interesting for you to join the Moin Moin table because you want to see something about Conda Forge, and then we can get you for help for us.
Hey, I'm Stefan Bienel. I'm a Cython core developer, and I'll be available during the day tomorrow at the sprints. I spent a bit of time during the last couple of months going through the bug tracker and finding things that are probably doable by first-time contributors. So you can already look through the bug tracker and look for the blue good first issue label on GitHub. And then we can sit together tomorrow and see which of those is interesting for you and maybe doable as a first-time thing to try on Cython. Okay?
Next one. Okay, I think there are still some people outside, and please just come to the middle, sit together, and then the people who are on the back come to the front, take a seat so that the ones from the outside can also get in. Just move together, we are all Python developers. Okay, next one.
Hello, my name is Mateusz Paprocki. I'm a core developer of Bokeh, a visualization library. And given that the number of maintainers is small and the number of contributors also usually small, there are lots of more users. Anyhow, it will be really useful closing some issues and whatnot, or just discussing maybe some kind of problems you have with the library. So, thank you.
Anybody else? Okay, so it's still open for everybody, so if you find something interesting tonight, just show up. Now I'm saying something very important, and I'm doing it from somewhere else to annoy Cooper. I really want to thank you to Cooper, who did all the video here. He did it for free in his spare time. He came here with his car, and it's really we are so happy that we have a professional doing all the stuff for us, doing it for free, and we will have the videos up, I think, next week on YouTube, and that's all his work, so a big applause to Cooper. Woo! And of course, he will get a t-shirt.